Number 10, when wheel B turns 2 revolutions, wheel A turns 5 revolutions. When wheel A turns 40 revolutions, how many revolutions does wheel B turn? So this looks like a proportion problem to me right here. We've got 2 revolutions is to 5 revolutions. So this is 2 to 5. This was an A to B comparison right here. So A was on the top, we had B on the bottom. That's just a side note there. So I better compare A to B over here as well in that same way if I'm going to set up a valid proportion. So this would equal, what's the A part in the second description? So wheel A turns 40 revolutions. So 40 would go on the top. How many revolutions? Let's call this X. So let's say this is X. And we're going to solve for X from there. So how many revolutions is that going to turn? This one, best idea I think is to cross multiply here and solve for X. So we've got 5 times 40. I know that 5 times 4 is 20. So I'm going to add a 0 after that. And I know 2 times X, that would be 2X. I could divide both sides by 2. And that would tell me that the wheel B is turning 100 revolutions every time wheel A turns 40 revolutions. So this would be 100 revolutions. We could check our answer by plugging it back in. So 40 over 100, that would be 4 over 10. If you divided both by 10, 4 divided by 10, that would equal 2 over 5. So we know that that ratio would be the same, would be equivalent to that ratio. So how many revolutions does it turn? That would be choice D.